In this video, I will demonstrate how to limit your search results down to peer-reviewed journals. OneSearch makes it very easy for you as a student at Limestone to find peer-reviewed journal articles, both those that the library owns access to and those that we can get for you via interlibrary loan request. When you conduct a search in OneSearch, it opens up to this window, and by default, everything is selected. While you can go down and limit your search results down to articles, doing that will include all the articles that Limestone owns access to, which will include peer-reviewed journals and non-peer-reviewed journals. To limit your results to only peer-reviewed journals, on the left side under Availability, note the limiter Peer-reviewed journals. Select that or tick the mark to the left side and say Apply Filters. Doing this, now I see only peer-reviewed journals that the library owns access to. Note they say peer-reviewed. The next thing that I can do is to click on one of the articles and choose the database. Notice under View Online, there are 3 databases where I can find this article. Select the first tab to find the PDF file of the article. One other thing that I would like to point out is that if you decide to change some of your keywords, this active filter here will be removed unless you say Remember All Filters. Now that I have remembered the peer-reviewed journal filter, if I change keywords, my filter will be remembered. The next important thing, and the last thing I'll show you, is that if under Refine My Results you select Expand My Results, this will give you access to articles that the library does not own immediate access to. For example, this first article says no online access. By clicking on this article, it says there's no available service. But don't fret. What I can do is go and select Interlibrary Loan Request at the top of the screen and type the article information into that form, and you should receive it within about 3 days.